Landward.com, the online marketplace for agriculture.
Financial planning, product development, marketing and sales, these are all skills that are essential for running your own business. At the vocational school in Vorau, students are being prepared for exactly that, making them fit for the future.
A warm welcome to our vocational school in Vorau. We are a vocational school for agriculture and nutrition in the hills of eastern Styria. We place great importance on providing our students with hands-on practical training. Our additional training programs include childcare, where we work very closely with the kindergarten of the market town of Vorau. It is also possible to take the final apprenticeship exam with us in the fields of cook, restaurant specialist, hotel and hospitality assistant, and office clerk.
One tool to teach students entrepreneurial thinking and financial literacy is our junior company. Here in the junior company, we learn everything needed to start a business or how a business works. We learn it all here, from planning to sales. We develop our own business ideas and learn everything about how a company works, gaining important experience for our future lives.
My name is Christina Ebner. I am the Managing Director of the Junior Company, and my tasks in the Junior Company as Managing Director are: I have to be spontaneous, I have to make sure that everything is planned, also that the team is properly organized. And the most difficult task is definitely making sure that the team is organized and that the team sticks together.
In the junior company, the students bear sole responsibility from product development all the way to optimization. We brainstorm, discuss, and improve, guided by creativity and innovation. I work in marketing at our junior company, focusing on promoting our products. We created flyers, organized the design of our sales booth, and also established an online presence on Facebook and Instagram.
My name is Chiara and I handle accounting. We ensure all finances are in order to fund the products, and we simply take the theoretical knowledge from our business management classes into practice, and that it's just important in your own business that we know how to handle money.
Today, everything in our school bakery revolves around fresh bread and pastries that not only smell wonderful, but also taste fantastic.
My name is Michael Funk and I am responsible for production in our junior company. Our products are self-made products. For example, we produce juices, dairy products, pastries, bread, advent wreaths, door wreaths, but also natural cosmetics. It is especially important to me that our products and ingredients are both sold and purchased in the region. And teamwork plays a big role for me.
These are some products we make and sell at the Vorau Vocational School. But with every product, we place great importance on quality, regionality, and craftsmanship.
And don't forget, whether it's bread, pasta, or juice, homemade just tastes best.
If you're curious and want to try our products, come visit us.